Over 60? Try these 3 T's to rebuild muscle and stay strong and mobile. Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker lately? Maybe standing up takes more effort, or you get tired just walking around the house. If you're over 60, you're not alone. Muscle loss and poor blood flow are huge struggles many seniors face, making daily tasks tough and shaking confidence in your independence. But what if you didn't have to accept that weakness as just part of getting older? What if there were simple, natural ways to rebuild muscle strength and improve blood circulation that could help you move more confidently again? You're in exactly the right place. Today, we're revealing 3 special T's. Yes, T's, backed by science and health coaches worldwide to help open blood vessels in your legs and support muscle rebuilding. Studies show some people notice real benefits in just 12 hours. Imagine that, a natural boost working almost immediately without complicated exercises or expensive treatments. These aren't just old remedies, they're proven by research and trusted by thousands of seniors just like you. Whether you struggle with stiffness, fatigue, or worry about falling, these T's could change how you feel every day. If you want to take control of your leg health and feel stronger again, keep watching. Before we reveal the first T, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on simple, effective tips to live better, stronger, and more energized. Ready to boost your energy and muscle strength? Let's dive into T number 1. Nature's powerful pick-me-up for seniors. Ginseng green tea. Feeling tired more than usual? What if one easy tea could help boost your muscles and clear your mind? As we age, weak legs, stiff joints, and low energy make daily tasks harder. But you can fight this naturally. 1 cup of tea might help rebuild muscle strength and keep your energy steady all day. If that sounds right, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share the first of 3 T's proven to help seniors regain strength and improve blood flow, sometimes in just 12 hours. Ginseng is what experts call an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle stress, including the kind that wears out your muscles and joints. Getting older doesn't just bring wrinkles, it puts a lot of hidden stress on your muscles and joints every day. This stress makes you feel tired and sore. Ginseng works like a natural helper, easing that stress so your body can recover faster and your muscles don't get so worn out. Here's a fact. Ginseng's adaptogenic power means it helps your whole body stay strong and bounce back from the small pressures of aging. Studies show ginseng helps your muscles use oxygen better and keeps you from getting tired too fast. Picture this: walking around your home, climbing stairs, or running errands without feeling heavy or wiped out. That's what better oxygen flow does. It keeps your muscles working longer and smoother so you can stay active and confident. Green tea adds even more muscle support with antioxidants that fight the things that make muscles and joints age faster. Green tea is packed with natural antioxidants called catechins. These fight free radicals, tiny troublemakers that cause muscle damage and joint pain over time. Drinking green tea regularly helps keep your muscles stronger and your joints more flexible. And unlike coffee, which can give you a quick burst of energy then a crash, green tea gives a smooth, steady lift thanks to a special amino acid called L-theanine. It helps you feel alert but calm at the same time. Have you ever felt like your legs just don't keep up anymore? This tea helps your body and your mind too. Why is that important? Because when your mind feels sharp and focused, you want to move more. And moving more helps rebuild muscle strength and balance, making you feel less tired. Ginseng green tea helps keep your mind clear and your motivation strong to stay active every day. Let me tell you about Margaret, 72, who discovered a surprising change after trying this tea. Margaret used to feel worn out just walking short distances. Her legs felt heavy, and she often stopped to rest. She started drinking ginseng green tea every morning, hoping it might help. After a few weeks, she felt her energy lasting longer, and she felt lighter on her feet. Gardening, which she had stopped doing, became something she enjoyed again. Stories like Margaret's show it's never too late to get stronger. Sometimes small changes make a big difference. Ready to try it yourself? Here's how to make ginseng green tea at home. Simple and easy. Boil a cup of water, then let it cool a bit. You want it warm, not boiling hot. Steep a green tea bag for 2 or 3 minutes. Add a few thin slices of fresh ginseng root or about a quarter teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Let it sit for another 5 minutes to get all the goodness out. If you want, add a little honey or lemon for flavor. Just 1 cup a day can help you feel stronger and more energetic. And this is just the start. Wait till you see what tea number 2 can do. Imagine moving through your day without feeling worn down, walking easier, and feeling more in control. Ginseng green tea is a natural, gentle way to support your muscles and mind, proven by both old traditions and modern studies. Ready to feel stronger? Let's keep going. Tea number 2, ginger turmeric tea. Why is this warm tea more than just comforting? Because it's a secret weapon for stronger, pain-free legs. Have you noticed your legs feeling stiff or achy after a short walk? Maybe climbing stairs leaves your knees sore or your muscles tire faster than before. These struggles make daily life tougher and shake your confidence, and you're not alone. Muscle weakness and joint pain are common worries for many seniors. But what if a simple, natural drink could help ease those aches and support your leg strength? That's where ginger turmeric tea comes in. A warm, soothing tea packed with powerful ingredients known for their healing abilities. And here's a quick secret. Adding a pinch of black pepper to your tea makes it even more powerful. I'll explain why in just a moment. Inflammation is often the real culprit behind joint and muscle pain. When your joints swell or muscles feel tight, it's inflammation making movement harder and more painful. Over time, inflammation slows you down, and you might find yourself avoiding activities you love. Ginger and turmeric are nature's anti-inflammatory champions. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, while turmeric's star ingredient is curcumin. Both work inside your body to reduce swelling, calm sore joints, and ease muscle fatigue. Together, they create a natural remedy that fights inflammation at its source, helping you feel more comfortable and mobile. Many seniors, like Joan, a 68-year-old who started drinking this tea daily, noticed her leg stiffness noticeably lessened within just a few weeks. Walking and standing became much easier for her. Good blood flow is key for strong muscles and quick recovery. Ginger's gingerols have been shown in research to improve circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles efficiently. Meanwhile, turmeric's curcumin helps protect your muscles from breaking down too quickly, giving them a better chance to stay strong and healthy. This powerful combo isn't just traditional wisdom. Modern studies back it up. For centuries, people have trusted these roots to ease joint pain and keep their bodies moving. Now science agrees. Unlike coffee, which can leave you jittery or cause energy crashes, ginger turmeric tea gives a gentle, steady boost to your metabolism. This means your body turns food into energy more efficiently, helping you feel alert and motivated without the ups and downs. That little extra energy might be all you need to take short walks, stretch, or stay active, which is crucial for maintaining muscle strength as you age. Making this healing tea at home is easy and enjoyable. The spicy warmth of fresh ginger mixed with the earthy flavor of turmeric creates a comforting taste and aroma. Like a warm hug for your legs, perfect for sipping on a cool evening. Here's the simple recipe. Slice 2 to 3 thin pieces of fresh ginger root. Add 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric or fresh turmeric if you have it. Pour hot water over and let it steep for 10 minutes. Now don't forget the black pepper. Adding a pinch of black pepper is the trick to unlock turmeric's full potential. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that helps your body absorb curcumin much better. Without it, most of the turmeric just passes through without helping. Sweeten with honey or a splash of lemon if you like. Drink this once daily to see the best results. Imagine waking up to lighter, less stiff legs that let you move with ease. Ginger turmeric tea isn't just a warm drink. It's a daily step towards stronger legs, less pain, and more energy to enjoy your life. It's natural, safe, and easy to add to your routine. No complicated diets or expensive pills needed. Ready to say goodbye to leg pain and hello to freedom of movement? Ginger turmeric tea could be your new best friend. And don't miss tea number 3. It helps your body relax, recover, and recharge overnight, so you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day. Tea number 3, ashwagandha root tea. What if there was a tea that did more than just support your muscles? Imagine a gentle daily drink that calms your mind, heals your body, and restores balance, all in one cup. That's what ashwagandha root tea can do for seniors struggling with muscle weakness, fatigue, and unsteady legs. Ashwagandha isn't just any herb, it's a powerful adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle stress. And here's the catch. Stress isn't just in your head, it affects your muscles, joints, and energy levels more than you might realize. As we get older, our bodies produce more cortisol, often called the stress hormone. While cortisol helps us respond to challenges, too much of it over time can break down muscle tissue, drain energy, and even increase fat around the belly. This hidden muscle damage makes your legs weaker and your balance shakier. Ashwagandha works by managing cortisol levels, calming your nervous system, and telling your body it's safe to heal and rebuild. It's like giving your muscles permission to stop breaking down and start growing stronger. The science backs this up. Clinical trials on older adults who took ashwagandha showed measurable improvements in muscle strength, better balance, and increased stamina, all within just a few weeks. For many seniors, these are life-changing results. More confidence standing up, fewer stumbles while walking, and more energy to enjoy everyday activities. But the benefits don't stop with muscles. Ashwagandha also supports your nerve health, which plays a big role in how your legs feel and respond. If you've ever felt shaky or unsteady, weak neuromuscular connections might be part of the problem. Ashwagandha helps strengthen these connections, improving coordination and making your steps steadier. Sleep is another key piece of the puzzle. Good sleep is when your muscles recover and rebuild, but stress and anxiety often steal that rest. Drinking ashwagandha tea in the evening helps quiet your mind, reduce nighttime anxiety, and promote deeper, more restful sleep. With better sleep, your muscles repair faster, so you wake up feeling less stiff and more ready to move. Making ashwagandha tea at home is simple and rewarding. Use dried ashwagandha root pieces or powder. The root gives the purest benefits. Here's a great way to brew it. Take about 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root. Simmer gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and pour into your favorite cup. You can add a little cinnamon or honey to soften the earthy, nutty taste if you like. You might choose to drink it in the morning for calm, steady energy throughout the day. Or enjoy it in the evening to relax and support muscle recovery overnight. Either way, consistency is key. Making this tea a daily habit means steady support your body can count on. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning feeling calm, energized, and steady on your feet. Imagine your legs ready to carry you through the day without that heavy, shaky feeling. Ashwagandha root tea isn't just about muscle strength. It's about bringing back balance to your body and mind so you feel confident, peaceful, and strong no matter your age. If you've been looking for a natural way to support your legs, improve your sleep, and reduce stress, ashwagandha tea could be the gentle helper you've been waiting for. So now you know the 3 best teas to rebuild muscle and keep you moving strong. Ginseng green tea for energy and endurance, ginger turmeric tea to fight inflammation and pain, ashwagandha root tea to calm stress, support nerves, and boost recovery. These aren't just drinks. They're simple, natural tools to help you reclaim strength and confidence, 1 cup at a time. Ready to take the next step towards stronger legs and better days? Try adding ashwagandha tea to your routine and see how it helps you wake up calm, steady, and ready to enjoy life. Before we wrap up, remember this. These teas aren't magic cures. They're gentle, natural habits that work best when you stick with them every day. Like any good habit, the real power comes from consistency. A cup a day can steadily help rebuild your muscles, improve blood flow, and boost your energy over time. And here's a little secret. Pairing these teas with gentle movement, like short walks, light stretches, or simple leg exercises, can multiply the benefits. Moving your body regularly helps those stronger muscles stay active and supports your overall balance and mobility. Always remember, you deserve to feel strong, steady, and full of life no matter your age. Your body can surprise you with what it's still capable of, and these teas are here to help you unlock that potential. We're building a community here for strong comebacks, so subscribe, hit the bell icon, and trust me, You don't want to miss what's coming next. If this helped you and you'd like to support the effort behind it, give this video a like and share it with someone you love. If you try these teas or already enjoy them, please share your experience in the comments. Your story could inspire others on their journey to feeling stronger and more mobile.